This video on pendulum and waves is a key foundation. The concepts introduced here are applied in many chapters in the +2 syllabus, including sound, light, simple harmonic motion, AC current, and electronics. This is a pendulum. The length of the pendulum is the distance between the point of suspension and the center of gravity of the spherical bob. The pendulum is oscillating. What is one oscillation? When the bob moves from the left end to the right end and returns to the left end, we say that the pendulum has made one oscillation. This is one oscillation. Left to right and back to left is one oscillation. This complete to and fro motion is called one oscillation. The motion of the bob from the right end to the left end and back to the right end is also one oscillation. One oscillation can also be said as one complete cycle. Note: in a wave, the particles move up and down along straight lines. They do not move left to right. Then what is moving left to right? In a pendulum, the bob moves left to right along a slightly curved path. Period of oscillation, time period. They mean the same thing. In most contexts, period of oscillation and time period are interchangeable. Period of oscillation as well as time period is the time taken for one complete cycle of an oscillating system. A pendulum is oscillating. What is one oscillation? Let us see. Left to right and right to left make one oscillation. Now, two oscillations. 0. 1. 2. Time taken by a pendulum for one oscillation, that is, to make one oscillation, that is, to complete one oscillation, is its time period or period of oscillation. Learn the language of expression. Time period is equal to period of oscillation. How to find the time period of a pendulum? Step-by-step method to measure the period of oscillation. Step 1. Let the pendulum swing freely for a few times. Step 2. When the bob reaches the left end, say 0. And start the timer at the same time. Step 3. Each time the bob returns to the left end, count aloud. 1. First oscillation completed. 2. Second oscillation completed. Continue until you say 10. Zero. 1. 2. 3. 4. Step 4. When you say 10, immediately stop the timer. If the timer shows 25 seconds, it means the pendulum has taken 25 seconds to make 10 oscillations. Example calculation. Time taken for 10 oscillations, is equal to 25 seconds. Time taken for one oscillation is equal to 25 divided by 10, that is equal to 2.5 seconds. Final result. Time period is equal to period of oscillation is equal to 2.5 seconds per oscillation. It is written as 2.5 s per oscillation. You yourself try to understand what is mean position and try to express it in your language without any help from others. In nature, everything is rhythmic. Discover the relationship between the length of the pendulum and its time period. You will find the mathematical relationship in your physics chapter. There are 3 pendulums of different lengths. Find their time periods. Explain the relationship between the time periods and the lengths of the pendulums. The period of oscillation depends on the length of the pendulum. Period of oscillation does not depend on the amplitude of the pendulum. Both. What is one amplitude? The distance from the mean position, the central point of vibration, to either extreme end of motion, is one amplitude. The distance from the mean position to the left end is one amplitude. In the figure A, the distance from the mean position to the right end is also one amplitude. The total distance from the left end to the right end is 2 amplitudes. Pendulums have equal lengths. The left pendulum has a smaller amplitude. The right pendulum swings with a larger amplitude. Despite this difference, their periods of oscillation remain the same. This demonstrates that amplitude does not affect the time it takes for a pendulum to complete one full swing. Students who skim through these basics now, without grasping them deeply, often struggle later, even at the beginning stage of those chapters. For those aspiring to master math, physics, or chemistry at higher levels, a strong understanding of these core ideas and scientific terms is essential. The better the start, the easier the ride ahead. This video on pendulum and waves is a key foundation. The concepts introduced here are applied in many chapters in the +2 syllabus, including sound, light, simple harmonic motion, AC current, and electronics.